and we are doing Christabel, and in the series of lectures on Christabel we see that Geraldine and Christabel are there in the castle of Father Leoline, and they are there we find Geraldine could perceive or see the figure of Christabel's dead mother, which Christabel is unaware of that figure, and there we shall proceed from line 210 to line 225. And why with hollow voice cries she, "Off, woman, off, this hour is mine, though thou her guardian spirit be." And there Christabel guesses why she is crying. Geraldine is crying in a hollow voice, like "Off, woman, off," like she is saying someone to go from there, to leave that place. This hour is mine. And Geraldine was said to be was saying that this hour is mine, though thou her guardian spirit be. As Geraldine was saying to that spirit that this hour is, this time is mine, though you are the guardian spirit of Christabel, but leave this place, off, woman, off, it is given to me. Now this child Christabel is assigned to me. Then Christabel knelt by the lady's side and raised to heaven her eyes so blue. And then Christabel knelt before the lady's side and raised to heaven her eyes so blue, and she looked heavenward with her beautiful blue eyes. "Alas," said she, "this ghastly rite, dear lady, it hath wildered you." The lady wiped her moist cold brow, and there Christabel, when knelt by her and looking heavenward with her blue eyes, said, "I am sorry, dear lady, the ghastly ride you have had has shocked you, because that incident which Geraldine had told happened to her. Due to that fearful incident, Christabel guesses that Geraldine is shocked, and a little too much. Geraldine wiped the drops of perspiration from her brow, and her moist brow she wiped in a feeble voice, and in a feeble voice she said, "It is over now." Actually, Geraldine is thinking somewhat else, and she is telling about the leaving of Christabel's mother's image or shadow or ghost. But Christabel thinks that she is saying about that completion of that incident and the fear. Now she is the fear of that incident. Again, the wildflower wine she drank, and again Geraldine drank that wildflower wine, that virtuous wine, to gain some power. She drank. Her fair large eyes again glitter bright, and her beautiful and large eyes again glittered brightly, and from the floor whereon she sank, and from the floor where she was lying down, and she rose, and the lofty lady stood upright, and that lofty lady Geraldine stood upright again. She was most beautiful to see, like a lady of a far country, and then she was looking very beautiful, and it seemed that she is a lady from a distant land who has come here, and she is looking very beautiful. Still, we can see that the child Christabel is still so innocent and unaware of the danger looming large over her head in the figure of Lady Geraldine, and she couldn't perceive the impending danger. And here the supernatural machinery working, and fantasy and imagination are also working in the words of Samuel Taylor Coleridge. So, students, you should read these lines and find the rhythm and rhyme and the meaning by this explanation, and we shall take further lines in our next chapter. Thank you.